Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to create a timer in Roblox Studio. So, make sure you have a screen GUI and a text label and a local script. You can name them whatever you want, but I'm just gonna keep them like this. And you can design the text label however you want. Now let's get into it. Now just type this into your local script. If you're done, then let's start doing it. So, we're gonna first do this. Minus update and turbo. We'll script the parent, which is the screen GUI, the text label, the text equals tostring number. The reason why we can't put the number in because it can just be a string, and the reason why we can't put a number in a string here is because otherwise these operations won't work on it. Now, wait, update and turbo. Well, now let's explain what the update and turbo actually does. So first we're gonna set. So I'm just gonna add another thing up here, which is gonna be script the parent the text label the text equals tostring. What the heck is this? Number. And this will just set it before. So even if it's a string already here, it will work. So now we can just set the seconds here and let's see how it will look like. Note that this will not be the same for all players on the server. See? See? That's a timer. It's a working timer. See? It's our actual working timer. But it will start going negatively. Let's just fix that so it won't go below negative. We're gonna add an if statement here. If number is more than, the errors is more than, where's that sign on my keyboard? Is less than, no, is more than 0, then, and end. So now it won't go to negative values. Let's test it again. And you can make get as long as you want. We're gonna try changing, see? It's gonna start going down. The reason why it doesn't start at 10, because, when you're counting in real life, start with 0. Otherwise, you're gonna be 1 second off. See, now it's stopped. I mean, the script is still running, but it knows that it's 0 and it's not doing anything. Wait, lag. Okay. Exhausted allowed execution time. Well, that could be a problem. So I think we should just add a little else, and then it will just pause it. So if it's paused, then it's good because then it won't throw an error here anymore. Now this is a fully functional thing. Now let's see what happens when we turn the update and turbo in 0.5. It will start going 9.5, 9, 8.5. See? Now it's a bit more precise. We can also make it get better, much more precise, if we set the update interval to 0.1. Let's try now. It will look how fast it's going. Ooh. Well, it's not exactly the best choice for you to go on 0.1 because then it's gonna just create a really long number. Nope. And it might accidentally go to 0, so yeah. Don't put the update interval on 0.1. Just keep it on 0.5 if you want to keep it a bit more precise. So that was it for this video. If you can add anything on to it if you want, you can make this better. You can add a pause button if you would like to. And subscribe and like if you like this video. Now, goodbye.